Goodbye. I can't believe I sold it. Crazy. It's gonna look so nice next to that in the driveway. Now we got a Chevy Cruze. When all that my truck's gone, I literally have nothing to do with my life. Oh wow. Ah! I'm bored. Before Duracoating, after Duracoating. I ain't even sponsored. Their stuff is just that good. I saw this post on Instagram and it was like, you know if somebody's rich when they'd rather go out and buy their own tool than ask to borrow one? I have never used my own floor jack to jack up this truck. In other words, thanks neighbors. And with all the money I saved by not having to buy a floor jack, I can buy more Duracoating, blue premium metal. What the heck? Dude, this thing is clapped. Got the wheels all polished. Thanks to Savannah, the interior is now mint. It's never been this clean. Now I just have to keep it clean until Saturday. After the show I can get it dirty, but till then, no mudding. Nobody, that's the answer. Yeet.
Gabe, when's the last time you cleaned your windows?
Never. Wow. We in a motherfucking spaceship cut. Shout out to Forged Cummins. My buddy Julian got me hooked up with the Starlight headliner. That's why I dropped off my truck the other day. These are 400. I think we might need to make it 4,000. Just don't think it's enough. Just kidding. It looks great. Really like the way it turned out. You can change the colors to whatever color you want. You can change the speed. You can change everything. You can change what it says. You can put little words in it or have a shooting stars go all the way across. I'm not even joking. It's pretty cool. Hit them up. They twinkle and everything. Sick. Here's us switching through all the 79 different colors. I'm colorblind, so like all these look the same, but it's pretty sick, not gonna lie. This truck hasn't been started in 2 weeks. We haven't really been driving this truck because there's been a vibration at like 20 and 40 miles an hour, and we've been wondering why. See that right there? That's definitely why. So we're gonna get that fixed. So everybody keeps complaining when I do extravagant stuff with my truck, so I think I'm probably just gonna lower it down, put some like 18x9s on it, like nothing crazy, no more mudding or anything. We'll probably just wash the truck 6 times a day in every video.
Hey, I think your package is here.
Maybe we'll just do like one more fun thing.
Nothing to see over there. Nothing to see.
The plug. guess that's one way to park it. What do you... Man. Oh, hi, Joe.
Dave just railed the hole!
Brandon, that's when you put the strap, right? Right on the lift pump?
On the rusty lift pump?
Yeah, yeah.
Too broke to afford filters.